My name is Rhiannon Morgan. I am half Greek, half English, and based in Luxembourg. I'm a dancer, a choreographer, and an actress, so multiple medias, multiple forms in my artistic approach and in my curiosity. I think I have multiple approaches. I think there's not one specific way or route that I go down, and that's the exciting part of doing this amazing job. So I think I would start with something inner, so it always starts from an inner impulse or an urgency, things that question me, and mainly the disparity between being and appearing. So that's kind of the base of where I start. The complexity of being human, the emotions we have, the difficulty in being sincere, or when are we not sincere? How do we connect with ourselves, with the others, and finding a narrative around this. So I'm interested in people, I'm curious in people, in relationships, in this paradoxical thing that is called life and being alive, and the existential questions we may have. So I go through different routes with first an inner impulse that goes outwards to try and find a form that can communicate to an audience. I'm a very curious person, so I like exploring different medias and forms. So of course the base is contemporary dance, because that is my main background. I mix with theater, visual arts, multimedia, projections, music. So all these tools that come together to create new forms. I'm also very interested in narrative tools, so I work very closely with a dramaturg to create a sense of storyline and continuity in my work. So I think it's all these things together that combine to make new forms and to make the work I do. I think that's a kind of a short description, but it's much more complex than that. I see art, a bit in the ancient Greek drama sense, like a cathartic process. So I believe that art has the power to bring people together and express things that are maybe not that easy to express. And when there is a communion between the audience and what is happening on stage, when there is an openness, when the audience can identify, feel that what is happening on stage is expressing parts of themselves that they don't even know, and they can come out of this performance feeling liberated, feeling free, having things to say, having maybe new insights. That's the kind of impact I want to have, and maybe open new possibilities for them. That's the main thing I try to achieve.